This 2021 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, refrigerator, water heater, TV, awning, DVD player, oven, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, Murphy bed, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,696 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.